I'm sure you saw this news, Jack. Tom Brady has made his retirement from the NFL official after 22 seasons. I mean, official. Do you think he's actually retired? Is this the end of Tom Brady? I mean, he's pretty old.
Yeah. It's crazy, his career. It's
unbelievable. You wouldn't believe it. If someone wrote a story and Tom Brady was the main character, you'd say, this is too much.
Yeah.
You say,
yeah, you're going a little far.
Yeah, you would turn off the movie. You'd be like, this is ridiculous.
Yeah.
What do you mean? He's, how old is he?
7 Super Bowls?
How old is he right now?
44?
44 sounds right to me. And he's still performing at that caliber. Obviously has had more success than anybody in the sport. I don't even know if it's arguable, really. I don't think so. I think the only argument that exists now is as far as like GOAT versus GOAT topic of including people from other sports to compare who is the greatest, let's say, athlete of all time. Mm-hmm. You could include Brady in there. You could include Michael Jordan.
Yeah, Wayne Gretzky.
Some people, I'm trying to think, Tiger Woods. A tennis player, Serena Williams.
Yeah, or
Roger Federer.
Yeah.
So we're just naming the best athletes ever right now. Maybe could you throw
Tony Hawk?
No one throws that in.
Tony Hawk.
Because that's the tough one with that is like accepted competition platform, ongoing league.
Yeah, it's not in there.
It's hard to. Yeah. They had the X Games and stuff, but
George St. Pierre or Khabib?
Wow. Well, didn't St. Pierre do it longer? Like I think he defended his title a few more, but he also lost.
Oh
yeah.
He also lost. So
also Mayweather. Shout out to Mayweather.
Right, yeah, Floyd Mayweather. Yeah, you got to get Floyd in there. Yeah. Oh, man, we're forgetting. It's hard to remember everybody, but the thing I think about football, it's such a popular sport, and it's a wear and tear sport on the body. It's not the sport you would pick to play at 44.
People are saying Messi, Ronaldo.
Oh my God! How did we? Oh, we forgot the real football.
Babe Ruth.
Apologies, everybody in Europe and every soccer player / football player ever. Yes.
And what about
Messi
baseball?
and Ronaldo? Oh, baseball. Babe. Yes. Okay.
Pete Rose, Lewis Hamilton for car racing.
People are doing a way better job than us here in the chat.
Yeah.
And it's just, it's a lot to remember. But as you're saying it, I'm thinking, I can't believe that we missed that. Baseball's harder, though. Now that I hear you say Babe Ruth, I'm like, I don't think it's undisputed in baseball.
No, I don't think it is either.
The GOAT. Anyway, in football, it appears to be relatively undisputed now. But anyway, this is the retirement of Tom Brady. 44 years old. It seems like a good time. You're still performing at a high level.
Yeah.
Which is nice to kind of go out. I mean, you could have said he could have gone out after the last championship, but he had some left in the tank. I mean, they played well this year.
You know what was interesting? He had this like 9-page, thanks and retirement message, and nowhere in there did he mention any of the New England Patriots. Like nobody, and he literally mentioned like his assistant quarterback coach from the Bucs,
right?
And there was no mention of
Belichick.
And then I think later today, the Patriots put out their own message saying thank you to Tom Brady, and he responded to that saying thanks to the Bucs.
Okay.
But I don't think in his original message did he ever mention them. Interesting.
Good find there, Jack. Yeah, a little bitterness might still remain. Who knows?
But why?
Who knows?
Yeah. I wasn't aware that there was, but maybe I guess there was.
Inside the clubhouse, who knows what goes on?